All right. So I feel like now is like the prime time for you guys to catch senioritis. So I feel like you guys should really take your senior classes seriously because in high school I felt that I didn't really study much, and I don't think that makes you a bad student. Like I still went to classes and did my assignments, but I didn't know how to study. So when I got to college and I learned like for like every one credit course you have to study like 3 hours, it was a big adjustment. So I feel like if you keep up your stamina in high school and you keep reviewing like your topics and keep continue to learn, the adjustment will be better. It'll be easier. So take your don't slack off. See, like now.